Step 1. Instrument installation. The BGD 862 aging chamber must be installed in a laboratory with a net area greater than or equal to 12. The laboratory must have a clear height above 2.8 m. The installation room should be air-conditioned to maintain ambient temperature between 16 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Temperatures outside this range affect experimental temperature control. After moving the chamber to the desired location, lower the adjustable feet with a wrench to secure it. Step 2. Connect compressed air to the instrument's air inlet. Air pressure range, 0.3 MPa 0.8 MPa. Air supply, max 60 liters per minute, average consumption 10 to 30 liters per minute. The Xenon lamp generates intense heat, raising the core temperature. Deionized water is required for cooling. Lower water conductivity extends lamp life. Thus, a pure water production unit is necessary. The water purifier requires supply water pressure greater than or equal to 2.5 kilograms per square centimeter. If water pressure is insufficient, a constant pressure pump is recommended. Connect the pure water source to the pump's inlet. Then connect the pump's outlet to the instrument's pure water inlet. Operation generates wastewater. A drainage path is mandatory. Connect drain pipes to drain outlet and drain outlet. Xenon lamp cooling consumes significant water. An air-cooled chiller is recommended for water recycling to conserve tap water. Connect the aging chamber's cooling water outlet to the water chiller's inlet. Note: first install the filter to the chamber's cooling water inlet. Then connect the chiller's outlet to the chamber's cooling water inlet. Note: initial connection of the water purifier must be guided by our personnel. Step 3. Connect power supply. The lab must be equipped with a power supply circuit and an air circuit breaker. Requires 3-phase 380V 50/60 Hz 60A or 2-phase 220V 50/60 Hz 60A power. Note: the air circuit breaker must be regularly maintained and inspected by an experienced engineer. Step 4. Install lamp. Open the chamber front door. Carefully place the lamp into the chamber. Place the lamp pins into the base slots. Note: align the lamp base pins with the positioning holes on the chamber base. Tighten the lamp base clockwise. Hold the lamp steady at the top with your left hand. Attach the electrode terminals to the lamp electrodes and tighten the screws. Install test panels. First, loosen the panel holder spring clip and remove the blank panel. Place the test sample into the panel holder and secure it with the clip. Note: the blank panel side faces the lamp, the spring clip side is the back. Hang the panel holder onto the drum rack. The BGD 862 can hold 63 to 65 test panels maximum. If some holders are empty, fill them with blank panels to ensure even irradiation. Close the chamber door. Note: avoid slamming the door to prevent damaging the door handle limiter. Pre-startup checks and confirmations. After confirmation, turn on the power supply. Step 5. Startup and water tank refill. Turn the instrument's main power switch clockwise to start. Perform a cooling water tank refill during the instrument's initial use. Open the left side door to see the cooling water tank below. Remove the tank screws and open the tank cover. Remove the 2 flow protector pads from the tank. On the top menu bar, click Manual to enter the manual menu. Click the tank refill switch. The water pump will start refilling the tank. Open the top instrument door cover to check the conductivity measured by the DI water monitor. Refill will stop automatically when the water level reaches the top float position. Step 6. Set test program. On the top menu bar, click Program to enter the program setup interface. Click Select Program. The BGD 862 has 4 user programs and 6 preset standard programs. Set program P1 as an example based on ISO 11341 Table 3, Cycle A. First, set the first segment. Time, under Segment 1 Time, click the number above to input 102. Click below to select unit minutes. Irradiance, under Irradiance, click the number above to input 0.51. Click below to select irradiance type at 340 nm. Black panel temperature, click number to input 65 degrees Celsius. Click black panel below to switch to black standard. Chamber temperature, click number to input 38 degrees Celsius. Humidity, click number to input humidity 50%. Spray, click spray column to select mode, set to no spray for this segment. Set the second segment. Time, under segment 2 time, input 18. Select unit minutes below. Irradiance, input 0.51. Select at 340 nm below. Black standard temperature, input 65 degrees Celsius. Switch remains on black standard. Chamber temperature, input 38 degrees Celsius. Humidity, input 50%. Spray, select spray mode as front. Segment setup complete. Note, if a segment's time is set to 0 during execution, the program will jump back to segment 1 and restart. A program can have up to 10 segments. This screen shows segments 1 to 5. Click Next page for segments 6 to 10. Select Set Total Program Time. Click the input box below the set time and enter 200 hours. Users can click the Set Time button to switch to the Set Energy option. Click Save to save the test program. Click Reset Time to reset instrument run time. On the top menu bar, click Monitor to enter the monitoring interface. Click the Start button. The BGD 862 begins operation. The chamber operates towards the set target values. The Actual Value column shows current measured values. The Set Value column shows the current segment's set values. Parameters, irradiation, chamber temp, humidity, BST, segment time, total time, energy, program, lamp output, scheduled stop. The alarm indicator shows various alarm messages. The status indicator shows component/function status. Yellow indicates working status, gray indicates stop status. The Run Control buttons show the current operating state. If you need to inspect samples mid-test, click the Pause button. Restarting after pause continues from the current segment. Click the Stop button. After stopping, you can switch programs. Restarting begins from segment 1. Other interfaces. In the top menu bar, click on the Calibration option to access the calibration interface. Perform calibration operations here when needed. In the top menu bar, click on the Manual option to access the manual interface. Use this interface to check individual functions. Note, manual functions only available when instrument is stopped. Cooling inlet, click the cooling inlet switch. The water pump will start refilling the tank. Refill stops automatically when water reaches the top float. Cooling pump, click cooling pump to turn on. Click again to stop. Chamber fan, click chamber fan, input desired speed, 0 to 27,648. Click OK to start the chamber fan. Click again and select exit to turn off. Humidification, click humidification, input desired rate. Click again and select exit to turn off. 8 door, click 8 door, input size of the 8 door. Click again and select exit to close door. Front spray, click front spray to activate. Back spray, click back spray to activate. Sample holder, click sample holder to start rotation. I/O monitor, click I/O monitor to open the monitoring panel. In the top menu bar, click on the storage option to access the storage interface. This is the data storage management interface. Click the History Curve button below to view trend data. This interface graphically displays trends for irradiance, temperature, and humidity. Tap directly on the curve to view the specific data values for any point. Open the instrument's top cover. Insert a USB drive into the USB port. Set the start time and end time. Click Data Copy to export data from that time range. The exported file is runningdata.csv. Open the file in Excel to clearly see historical data records. Users can easily analyze and observe machine operation. In the top menu bar, click on the Event option to access the event interface. This is the event log interface. View alarm messages here to help diagnose faults. In the top menu bar, click on the Maintenance option to access the maintenance interface. View maintenance info, plan maintenance based on usage/remaining time. In the top menu bar, click on the Set option to access the Set interface. Configure settings for irradiance, chamber temp, humidity, BPT/BST, spray water shortage, cooling water conductivity.